It's the Ram Man. Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I found an awesome PC on Craigslist. It was only $125, so I met up with the guy, and it turned out to be a great PC. The only thing it's missing is a video card, so that's all we're going to have to add to this build in order to make it a VR capable beast. The case was kind of a mess, so I just brought it outside and used some dust off. I'm not going to be keeping this PC, it's more or less just to show you guys that you can get these deals, throw in a video card, just kind of call it a day, and then you'll be playing VR in no time. So the video card I went with was the RX 470, because I had one. These normally run for about $70 to $90 on eBay, and if you can't find one, try going for an R9 390. This build was lacking a little style, so I threw in Iron Man to give it that Rambot style. So I want to give a quick shout out to RC World for recommending this build. So with that being said, let's get into the installation. You just want to put Windows 10 on a USB drive and then just run the normal install. Just make sure to uncheck all those privacy settings because you don't want to leave those on. After that, you want to make sure you get Chrome because, I mean, why would you want to use Edge? And you also want to download Steam. So while Steam's installing, you can head over to AMD's website and get the Radeon drivers that you'll need for the RX 470. And then while that's extracting, just go ahead and log into Steam, install Steam VR. You can find it in the store if it's not on your list. And I like to queue up all the games that I'm going to run ahead of time, so I'm just doing that right now and just getting all those games installed while everything's extracting in the background and, you know, before the drivers and everything. So once you have the Radeon settings set up, just go in and enable Relive. You're going to want to install that just so you can record any footage. You just want to head to HTC's website, get the Vive installer. It'll just run you through the setup, and it basically just walks you through everything. It's pretty simple. The cables are probably the hardest part. And sometimes you can run into issues. So right here I had a problem where I couldn't get Bluetooth working. So this is kind of a pain. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to unplug pretty much everything and then exit out of Steam, come back in, you know, load it up again, you can retry. If it doesn't work, you're gonna have to reboot the machine. But sometimes these installations have problems, so VR can be one of those things that's a little tricky. And if you run into an issue like this, just keep trying, go into the settings, try to get that driver installed. Sometimes it installs no problem, and other times I've run into this situation where you can't install Bluetooth, have to restart it a few times. But that's just the way it is. VR is still a little new. Even though it's been out a few years, there's still problems like this all the time. And they're constantly updating it and breaking it, so you guys can go read Reddit for that one. So that's pretty much it for the install. Here's some games playing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.